Hi everyone, welcome to the Anatomy and Physiology Lab, Biology 1160 and Biology 1260. My name is Dua Rial and I am one of your lab instructors. The purpose of this video is to provide you with a quick introduction to the lab portion of this course and how we will be conducting this virtually. As per your course module, this course is divided into 11 weeks. Each week, you'll have to perform some lab work, and you will be orally evaluated during the 2-hour lab section that you have registered for. In certain weeks, you'll have to either perform a dissection or run an experiment, as well as look at models and displays in order for you to answer the objectives for that week. All of these will now be provided to you virtually on Moodle. Because you don't have access to the lab to perform hands-on work, we will provide you with videos, presentations, as well as pictures to help you complete the objectives. So for the materials that you need to know for your oral evaluation, they'll be provided to you as a weekly list of objectives, questions, and appendices. You will find this list summarized in a table on page 5 of the introduction section of your course module. In addition, you will get another copy of this list with the exact dates for this semester from your course instructor. For example, for week 1 of Biology 1160, and as per the table, you will need to know the answers to all of the objectives in package 3, as well as the questions in appendix 1. You can find the answers to all of the objectives in package 3 from your textbook, which is Tortora. As for the appendix, you will be provided with a video of the dissection that will have the answers to the questions in that appendix. As for how your weekly oral evaluations will be conducted virtually, my colleague and the other lab instructor, Shazina Khan, will provide you with a quick introduction on how to log in onto Moodle and join Big Blue Button session, BBB sessions, to complete your oral evaluations. See you soon online.
Hi everybody, I'm Shazina Khan and I'm the other lab instructor for Anatomy and Physiology, and I'm going to continue talking about the lab part of the course. So for your actual weekly evaluations, the material that you're required to know is found in the introductory part of your lab manual. So this is the Biology 1160 lab manual that I've got open here. You can see for week 1, we will be covering body cavities. And the material we'll be covering will be all of the objectives and appendix 1 in package 3. So for your actual lab evaluation, you will be logging into Moodle during your assigned section. So for example, we'll be looking at LO1. So once you've logged in, you can join the online oral evaluation session, the Big Blue Button session, which looks like this once you've got it open. And the session will be set up with both Dua and I present. And once you've logged in, you will write a message to say that you're ready for your evaluation. And this will be done based on first come, first serve. So it'll be done in the order that you log in. It's best to sign up as soon as you log in, and that way you'll be done earlier. And sometimes the evaluations, they go long and you don't want to be the last one and waiting around for 2 hours. So it's better to log in and sign up as soon as your session starts, ideally. So once you've signed up, then Dua and I will add you to the breakout room, and we will do your oral evaluation. It'll be either Dua or me, and it'll just be either her or me and just you. So it will not be a group discussion. So your oral evaluation won't be heard by anyone else besides one of the lab instructors. And we will ask you questions based on the assigned objectives, as well as the supplementary material that Dua has talked about already. So this may include dissection videos or images of dissected organs or experimental results. So for 1160, for example, there will be we are covering the fetal pig as part of the body cavities material. And so we may include images of the fetal pig as well as images from your textbook for that week. And you'll be required to label parts and answer questions based on the objectives. So once you have successfully answered all the questions, then you get a pass for that week. If for some reason you didn't successfully answer the questions, or you were feeling unwell that week and you weren't able to log in at your assigned time, we will have a makeup day every week. So on Thursday, you can log back in and I will do a makeup oral evaluation for you. And we allow you to have 2 makeups for the semester without any penalty. So for 2 of the evaluations, you can redo them and not be penalized. So for the online oral evaluations, we require you to have a functioning webcam and a microphone and headphones. And I should also mention that if you're having trouble with the material, we'll have open lab hours on Monday. I will be available. I will log into Big Blue Button on Mondays from 10 to 2, and I will be available to answer any questions you may have related to the lab material. So for example, if you can't find some of the answers to the objectives, or you might have problems with the supplemental material, identifying the organs inside the fetal pig, for example, I will be available to help you out with that. I think that I've covered everything. So I wish you a successful semester in anatomy and physiology, and I look forward to meeting you during your lab evaluations.